Welcome to the Port of Vancouver, USA. We're strategically located on the Columbia River in beautiful Southwest Washington. The way we do business creates possibility, drives innovation, and builds strong relationships.
We like to say we're not your ordinary landlord. We're right here within the property where all our customers are. The relationship with our customers is number one. Being on site, I think, is important to be able to reach out and find some solutions if they're having problems.
Port of Vancouver has a wider scope of vision in dealing with the people that they lease their facilities to. And that vision for us has included not only providing a sound facility to do our business in, but also providing the logistical support that we need to be able to run that business.
The Port of Vancouver is more than just a landlord-leaseor relationship. It's a partnership. The port's like an open book. Basically, they have a number of professional people, some that handle environmental, some that handle safety, compliance, real estate. They're willing to share those resources with the tenant.
Our connection to the world gives us a greater opportunity to help businesses grow and provide further benefit to the region.
We've got a nexus of road and river and rail, and we've got a great airport just across the river as well. All of those access points allow freight and people that control that freight to move into and out of the region efficiently and economically.
One of the biggest strategic advantages is location. Close to I-5, close to 84, excellent rail access going north, south, and east.
Infrastructure for us is everything because we exist on the inbound on railroad traffic. The port, with the facilities they have to move cars in and out and to provide us with solutions to demurrage issues like the third rail that they put in, which allows us to store leased cars demurrage-free.
By having a whole new entrance into the port on a rail line coming in from the east, cut down on congestion on the main line that serves the west coast by 40+%. That type of efficiency you just don't get every day.
With acres of available property and ready-to-build land, we continue to provide opportunities for businesses to invest.
The port has been strategically planning for over 100 years to build infrastructure to grow our community.
The Centennial Industrial Building here at the Port of Vancouver represents the port's investment in community business growth and the ability that it has to attract heavy industrial and additional maritime tenants to our community and Southwest Washington, and the jobs that can result in the years ahead. That's exciting.
We work hard to forge new partnerships and build lasting relationships while developing a more promising business climate right in our own backyard.
Vancouver offers businesses and families a wonderful place. It's multicultural. We have great restaurants, great event spaces. We have parks and recreational trails from hiking and water activities for the whole family.
I just continue to be excited about the opportunities that people living and working in this community have. Our location will continue to be important for businesses that want to do business in our community. So it's exciting that we're in the right location to begin with. Not only has that helped us over the last 100 years, but it will continue to help us and position us in 100 years to come.